Okay guys, so in this video I will show you Windows 11 search not working. So what you need to do is click on Start menu, and when you are trying to type here something, as you can see in search, not displaying results. So either you can click on Start menu, or type there Run, or simply click button Windows plus R, and you will see such menu. So here you need to type following command, what you can see on the screen, and click on Next. So select problem what you would like to. So in my case, this one can start a search or see results. Yeah. So select it and click on Next. So as you can see, if I am typing here on control panel, I'm not no results are visible. So let us try to fix it. Okay, let's click on OK. Here it's displaying that we need to run it as administrative rights. Yes. So let's select it. And again, select can see search or see results. Click on OK. But problem was not identified. So let's close it and let's move to the next step. Next step is we will run this menu again, type services MCs, and click on OK. So we need to restart this Windows search. So let's search for Windows search here in the list. So here it is. Let's open it first and see if it's running. Yes, service is running. So right click and click on Restart. Okay, done. So it's restarting services. So let's wait a little. Okay, done. So now we can close window. And now let's go to control panel. So, or you can type here control panel and simply click on enter. Now here we need to select large icons or small icons in order to find our indexing options. So let's search for indexing options. Let's give me a moment, please. Okay, here it is. So let's click on indexing options. And now what we need to do is we need to rebuild this service. So click on advanced, click on it, and click on rebuild and confirm. So click on OK. So now it will take some time, but it will start indexing. So here it is, indexing in progress. So when it will finish, you can close all windows and simply restart your computer, and everything should be working normally. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.